Hi everyone, it's Carling from the Park Group. Thank you for watching Walkthrough Wednesday today. And today I'm really excited because I am here with Danielle of David Weekley Homes. And Danielle, please tell us where we're at.
Hey everyone, we are here at the David Weekley Model Home over in Reflections at 30 Recollection Drive. And our Model Home sawmill is officially available for you. So come on in with us.
Beautiful front porch.
Yes, great outdoor seating on this one. Super close across the street as well from our playground here. So our sawmill model you're going to see here is just shy of 2,900 square feet. We're going to have 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths with a home office and a spacious loft upstairs. So when you first come in, you'll see we have a secondary bedroom downstairs with its own full bathroom over here. Beautiful accent walls in this home throughout, especially since it's a former model. You'll have the walk-in shower downstairs, great for any guests coming to stay.
I love all the natural light coming in.
Isn't it great? That's one of the awesome things you'll notice about all David Weekley homes you go in. We tend to have a lot of natural light in our homes. So over here, you're going to see we have a home office with the built-ins. I mean, that's really ideal for working remotely, home workstation, multi-purpose, hobby rooms, really whatever you wanted to do with that. We also, since this is the model home, a lot of upgrades you're going to see also in that room. We had speakers in there. Turning the corner, we'll have the laundry room just tucked right behind the garage, as well as a little drop zone. Coming in, hang the purse, backpack racks.
Wow, this is a stunning view.
Isn't this? I mean, great sunlight when you walk in, high-end, luxurious finishes. I mean, this kitchen, you've got the cabinets going up, you've got the double oven. I mean, I could keep going on and on about this home. In this dining room too, you're going to notice super high ceilings in here. I mean, most of the living spaces, we have a 10-foot ceiling, and then over here, obviously, it soars way higher than that. And in the family room here, we went ahead, we carried the speakers into here as well, in addition to the study that we had. You're going to see the huge picture windows in here. Beautiful. Great for looking out at your outdoor living space that we'll make to in a little bit. And again, another feature wall in here.
I love how open this is. It's totally open concept.
100%. I mean, this kitchen is great for entertaining, cooking, super functional as well. I mean, you've got the pot drawers, you've got the double oven, you've got the trash pull-out, spacious walk-in pantry on it. Now here is going to be the owner's suite. So this is another bedroom we have on the first floor. So really awesome that you're going to have 2 full bedrooms downstairs. And again, coming into here, another feature wall in here. I mean, these are upgrades that you have to think about that homeowners spend years, months working on. So, you know, really moving into a model home, you're saving a substantial amount of money and time on your hands.
I love the colors y'all chose.
Isn't it? I can't take credit for that.
The color selections are so beautiful.
Isn't it fun? I mean, they always do such a unique pop of color in the models. So moving into this bathroom, great counter space. I mean, extremely long vanities, spa-like bathroom with that rain shower head, which is awesome. They even carry tile behind the sinks. And again, I mean, another high-end finish in here. In the closet, the built-ins are already done too. I mean, you don't have to worry about the wire shelving, ripping anything out, which is amazing.
That's so nice.
Yes, that's the
dream closet.
Exactly. I mean, there's drawers in there, plenty of storage, even for bins, luggage up top. I mean, it's a very functional closet you'll see in there.
Beautiful. And again, all the natural light pouring into the bathrooms.
Absolutely love
Incredible.
that. The natural light, I mean, we've got the high elevated ceilings with the tray ceiling
Love the
in
tray
here.
ceilings.
Even the additional lights over the bed. I mean, it's small touches in here that really look beautiful. All right, so we'll make our way outside to see our outdoor living space. Wonderful sliders opening up to a very large wraparound lanai out here. So we've got an 8-top table we just passed, so plenty of space for entertaining. And again, even more sitting space.
I love the indoor-outdoor
Isn't this
living.
great? I mean, it's so beautiful that it pops right out from your dining area, the sliders. We've already got your outdoor fire pit, a little pergola for seating, the egg out here. I mean, this home really is going to be turnkey, not having to do really anything to
Absolutely.
it.
It's already here.
Exactly.
It's
All of
amazing.
the accents, the outdoor living, the appliances. This home as well, since it is a model home, does come included with the speakers above. It's got the camera systems. I mean, this home is fully decked out.
Incredible. And then I wanted to show off this really cute under the stairs closet, Harry Potter closet.
Yes, the kids love the Harry Potter closet.
You can never have too much storage space.
I know. Especially anyone, moving from that north that's used to having basements.
Mhm.
We really try to utilize any nooks and crannies to take
Mhm.
advantage of storage where we can find it. So having this under the stairs that it even wraps around, I mean, you could do really cool built-ins in there, really maximize that space. And so heading upstairs, you're going to notice again, not very much carpet in this home. Almost all downstairs was wood, the LVP. And then we've got the wood on your stairs coming up here as well. Huge windows, still bringing in the natural light on this home.
I wanted to add, this model is right across from the Seabrook Village Neighborhood Park, which is so cute and convenient for young families with all the playground equipment. So nice and amazing.
Yes.
And we are also not far from the Greenway Trails extension.
Exactly. I mean, this home, the location of it, being so close to that playground and the Greenway where it's got, I mean, just a couple homes down the street. It's awesome location in a community that's almost sold out and completed as well.
Yes, that's right.
So up here, we're going to have two more very generous size bedrooms, as you can see.
Huge.
I mean, this room is to die for. Any little girl, how we have it set up, would love this. I mean, I would.
This is an amazing bedroom.
With a walk-in closet, too. I mean, someone can be out here just looking over at the playground, wishing they were popping out there, too.
Incredible
Plenty of
views.
space for, I mean, great wall space for furniture even. I mean, we even put in a desk over here for homework. Really wonderful sized rooms in this home. And then we have another bedroom, oversized bedroom as well. Cute little astronaut room. Again, all of the details with the accent walls in this home is stuff that is just so amazing that you don't have to worry about.
It's already decorated. You can just move right in.
So these two bedrooms up here will share a bathroom up here. So we'll have two downstairs and another full bathroom upstairs with a fun pop of color into it.
And I love this loft play zone space that you guys have.
100%. I mean, another living space when family comes and stays, or for the kids. Really multi-purpose. Love having that space here.
Love it. Well, thank you so much for taking us through. Can you remind everyone where we're at and how they can get in contact with you?
Most certainly. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are over here in Reflections at our Sawmill Model Home, 30 Recollection Drive. This one is available for a quick move-in. Would love to see you guys. Feel free to pop over to see us at our other model next door at 20 Recollection Drive.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next week.
Thanks.
Bye.